Ancient Greek philosophers believed that matter contains small, indestructible and indivisible particles called atoms. Today, we know that the atom is a complex particle. The atom is composed of one very small central part called an atomic core positively charged and an electronic sheath negatively charged, in which the electrons can be found. The atomic core contains protons and neutrons. The basic particles from which matter is made are the protons, neutrons and electrons. Approximate dimensions is 10 to 8 centimeters. The core is 10,000 to 100,000 times smaller than the atom's dimensions. Protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. Charges of protons and electrons are equal in magnitude. The smallest particles from which the elements are made out of are called atoms. The atoms of which one element is built are identical and are different than the atoms of other elements. When different atoms connect, they create compounds. During chemical reactions, the atoms are regrouped, but they don't suffer from changes. Fundamental particles are particles built out of atoms of all the elements. The proton is a stable particle, which mass is 1836,12 times bigger than the electrons, positively charged by an absolute value identical to the electron's value. The proton is a hydrogen cation. In fact, the proton is the core of the hydrogen atom. The neutron is stable only in the atomic core. Its mass is insignificantly bigger than the protons. It is contained in the atomic cores, except the core of the hydrogen atom. A chemical element is a group of atoms with the same charging of the atomic core, same atomic number. In the atomic core there are also 200 more elementary particles with a short lifespan that provide the connection between the neurons and protons, and with that the stability of the atomic core. The number of protons in the atomic core is also known as atomic number, and it's marked with the letter Z. The number of protons determines the charging of the core. The total number of protons and neutrons in the atomic core is also known as mass number, and it's marked with the letter A. An ion is a particle having a non-zero net electrical charge. A cation is a positively charged ion, while an anion is negatively charged. Nucleus, a group of atoms which have a certain number of protons and neutrons in their cores. Atoms with the same atomic, but different mass number are called isotopes. Atoms with the same mass, but different atomic number are called isobars. They are atoms of different chemical elements.